You sure you don't have a twin brother? Maybe you were separated at birth.
Of course I'm sure. Oh, shit. Oh, shit is right. Who are you? Who you think I am, dummy?
It's you.
Duh.
What the hell is going on here?
Look, I was trying to close the loop, but somehow I got knocked into a parallel time loop. We're all in serious danger. The longer we exist in the same dimension, the worse things will get. It's a butterfly effect. You have to kill him. Me? He's going to create bigger problems if you do not stop him. Kill him now! No, screw that. Kill him. You're wasting your time. Do it! Dude, I'm your friend, not him. You know what? Screw this. I'll just take care of it myself. Stop him!
Wait, Ryan, maybe you should stop.
Forget him. He's crazy. I'm the one who designed this. I know what I'm doing. You don't understand what you're doing! Shut up, fake Ryan!
Ryan, this doesn't feel right.
Ryan, stop!
A parsec is a measure of distance, not time.
Okay, so now you're gonna call Han Solo a liar?
No, I'm saying if a normal Kessel run is...
Drake, help me! Come on!
Whoa. Dude, did you dose my Yoo-hoo again?
What did I tell you about turning that thing on? Turn it off now! Turn it off now! Just get him, get the man, get him! Let go!
Ryan, just turn it on!